So, I'm going to talk about the women's lacrosse scores. First, Friday, May 10th, 2024. So we have in Storybrooke. A lot of these were just running clocks, because if one team is up by 10 goals or more at any point in the game, it continues the running clock until like a timeout's called or like a penalty is called, or basically I think if a timeout's called, or maybe the timeout, unless the timeout is called, there's like a TV break, like a commercial break. That's about it. Otherwise, it keeps the run clock going. So Storybrooke beat Niagara 19-7. Number 5 Virginia beat Long Island 21-6. James Madison beat Penn State 14-13. Denver beat Stanford 13-12. Maryland beat Duke 16-11. Johns Hopkins beat Fairfield 11-5. 17-6 Michigan beat Mercer. 14-9 Princeton beat Drexel. And 17-8 Florida beat North Carolina. We have Princeton, number 2 Boston College. And the top 3 seeds got a bye here, the second round. The top 3 overall seeds got a bye. So, and they are Northwestern, Syracuse, and Boston College. So they're playing. They're all scheduled pretty much. There's 8 games, and they're all scheduled near similar times, all around the same time. So we got a couple at noon Eastern. Princeton, number 2 Boston College. Michigan, number 7 Notre Dame. That's gonna be on ESPN Plus. All these are gonna be ESPN Plus. I'm assuming, unless there's, some of these get put on like on ESPN2 or, which I doubt. Maybe if the men's move up to ESPN2 or something like that, or maybe you skip on conference networks in case of the, like one of the big ACC teams. Maybe. Or maybe unless if the men, or maybe one of these gets put on ESPN News. Who knows, But we got Michigan at number 7 Notre Dame. At noon Eastern. And that's number 4 Maryland at 12:30 Eastern, or 12:30 p.m. Eastern. 1 p.m. Eastern, we have Maryland and Pennsylvania. Florida and number 5 Virginia. And then we got Storybrooke and number 3 Syracuse at 2 Eastern. Denver number 1 Northwestern at 2 Eastern. And Johns Hopkins University at number 6 at 2:30 Eastern. So most of these games are going to be played. And then we got the round of 8. And we run the quarters. Which the quarters are going to be played. And the men only have 16 teams, so they play the first round this week. Then the men play the quarterfinals next week. So every game is one after the other for the men. And then they have, which there might be less teams in men's lacrosse. Less schools do men's lacrosse. I don't know why. I mean, And then we have maybe less men play lacrosse than women. I'm not for sure. Maybe. And then we have, and then, so who knows? I know most of these games are going to be ESPN Plus. So.